So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you how to solve math equations on the Notes app. So if I were to go ahead and type in a bunch of different equations here, I'll also just go ahead and make it a little larger so it's easier to see. I'll go 2 times 2, 4 times 5, 873, 4 plus 9 eighths, 3, 2, like whatever the equation is, it's pretty simple. So if you wanted to go ahead and do this, go to the top left. There's a bunch of different options here. There's format. Scroll down to the bottom to where it says math results, and then go ahead and press insert results to turn it on. So in this page right here, if you were to go ahead and press space, it'll go ahead and show you equals 4. If this looks good, go ahead and press return. And it equals 4 for you. If you were to go ahead and press space again, equals 20 plus return. There you go. Press space, equals or press return, and you can actually have your math equation solved this way simply on the Notes app. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to solve math equations on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.